Imagine a world in the late 2020s, where the skies are no longer dominated by the aircraft of the past, but by the marvels of human engineering and ingenuity. The United States is on the brink of a new era in aviation, an era where stealth, speed, intelligence, and sustainability converge to define the next generation of aerial dominance. Among the fleet of advanced machines taking to the skies between 2026 and 2030, 5 extraordinary aircraft stand out, each representing a leap in technology and a symbol of the future of flight. These machines are not just vehicles, they are a testament to the audacity of imagination, the rigor of engineering, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. First, we soar into the world of strategic stealth with the Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider, a revolutionary aircraft designed to redefine the concept of long-range bombing. The B-21 is more than a bomber. It is a manifestation of a nation's vision to maintain air superiority and strategic deterrence well into the mid-21st century. Its sleek, flying wing design is not merely aesthetic, it is a calculated, technical marvel that minimizes radar visibility, allowing it to penetrate heavily defended airspaces undetected. Every curve and contour of the B-21 has been meticulously designed to ensure that it remains a ghost in the sky, invisible to the most advanced radar systems. The Raider is expected to enter service around 2026-2027, and even before its first flight, the anticipation within military circles is palpable. Analysts predict that its deployment will fundamentally alter strategic operations, allowing commanders to project power across continents with unprecedented stealth and precision. The Raider is powered by advanced propulsion systems that allow it to cover thousands of miles without refueling, carrying a combination of conventional and nuclear payloads. Imagine it taking off silently under the cloak of night, gliding effortlessly over hostile territory, delivering decisive strikes, and returning without ever revealing its presence. It is not just a tool of war, it is a statement of technological supremacy, a floating fortress that embodies decades of aeronautical research and the unwavering commitment to national security. But the skies are not just for bombers, they are also the domain of fighters, and the Boeing F-47 represents the cutting edge of aerial combat in the era of the next-generation air dominance program. The F-47 is a sixth-generation fighter designed to confront the challenges of modern warfare where information dominance, speed, and maneuverability are just as critical as firepower. Unlike its predecessors, the F-47 integrates artificial intelligence directly into its operational systems, allowing pilots to make split-second decisions with the assistance of autonomous sensors and real-time data analysis. Every engagement in the skies becomes a chess game where the F-47 anticipates threats, adapts strategies, and executes maneuvers that were once considered impossible. Its design emphasizes agility and stealth, enabling it to evade detection while maintaining an overwhelming offensive capability. Imagine a scenario in 2030, where a fleet of F-47s patrols contested airspace, each aircraft connected to a sophisticated network that feeds information from satellites, drones, and other fighter jets. The pilots, supported by advanced AI co-pilots, are able to respond instantaneously to any threat, neutralizing it before it can even pose a risk. The F-47 embodies the principle that in modern combat, the battle is won not just with firepower but with intelligence, coordination, and adaptability. Its wings, engines, and avionics are optimized for rapid maneuvers, ensuring dominance in both dogfights and beyond visual range. Engagements. This aircraft is a glimpse into the future of aerial warfare, a platform where human skill and machine intelligence coexist in perfect harmony. While bombers and fighters define the offensive capabilities of the sky, command and control remains equally critical, and the Lockheed Martin E-130J Phoenix II emerges as the backbone of coordinated operations. Built on the reliable C-130J platform, the E-130J is a flying command center, equipped with the latest communication, surveillance, and electronic warfare technologies. Its mission is not to engage in combat directly but to ensure that those who do are guided with precision and situational awareness that spans entire theaters of operation. The Phoenix II can manage airspace, coordinate strikes, relay critical intelligence, and adapt strategies in real time, making it an indispensable component of modern warfare. Picture this aircraft hovering high above a battlefield, its advanced sensors scanning the horizon, detecting every movement, every electronic signature, and relaying it to commanders and pilots in real time. The E-130J Phoenix II ensures that every decision made on the ground or in the air is informed, accurate, and instantaneous. It represents a shift in the philosophy of warfare, where victory is as much about information and coordination as it is about firepower. By 2030, the Phoenix II will be a critical asset in the U.S. Air Force's arsenal, ensuring that strategic and tactical operations are executed with flawless precision. Yet, every pilot must first be trained to master these sophisticated machines, and the Boeing-Saab T-7 Red Hawk fulfills this vital role. This advanced jet trainer is not merely a stepping stone for future fighter pilots, it is a high-performance aircraft designed to mirror the capabilities and handling of modern combat fighters. With the T-7 Red Hawk, trainees experience the realism of advanced flight dynamics, tactical simulations, and cutting-edge avionics, all within a platform that emphasizes safety and adaptability. It is the bridge between theory and reality, preparing the next generation of pilots to operate aircraft like the F-47 with confidence and precision. Envision a training squadron in 2028, where young aviators climb into the cockpit of the Red Hawk, feeling the rush of acceleration, the subtle shifts in aerodynamics, and the responsiveness of a jet built to teach them the language of modern aerial warfare. This aircraft ensures that when they transition to frontline fighters, they do so not just with skill but with an instinctive understanding of the machines they will command. The T-7 Red Hawk is more than a trainer, it is the incubator of excellence, shaping the minds and reflexes of the pilots who will dominate the skies for decades to come. While these four aircraft define the military edge of the United States, innovation also reaches the skies of civilian aviation, and the HondaJet Echelon represents the future of business and light civilian aviation. Expected to make its first flights around 2026, this jet combines speed, efficiency, and sustainability in a compact yet powerful package. Its design emphasizes aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort, making it ideal for rapid regional travel or executive transport. The HondaJet Echelon demonstrates that the spirit of innovation is not confined to military applications, it extends to every facet of flight, reshaping expectations for what civilian aircraft can achieve. Imagine stepping into the cabin of the Echelon in 2027, quiet, smooth, and efficient. Every detail, from the seating to the control systems, has been engineered for a seamless flight experience. Its advanced engines reduce emissions, and its design minimizes drag, setting a new standard for environmentally responsible aviation. This jet signals a future where travel is faster, cleaner, and smarter, a complement to the military marvels that dominate headlines, yet equally transformative in everyday life. Together, these five aircraft, B-21 Raider, F-47, E-130J Phoenix II, T-7 Red Hawk, and HondaJet Echelon, paint a picture of a world where the skies are defined by intelligence, agility, stealth, and sustainability. Each one serves a distinct purpose, yet collectively they represent the pinnacle of human achievement in aviation. They embody decades of research, experimentation, and visionary thinking, ensuring that the United States remains at the forefront of aerial innovation. Between 2026 and 2030, as these aircraft take flight, the world will witness not just machines in motion but the unfolding of a future where flight is reimagined, elevated, and perfected. As dawn breaks over the sprawling landscapes of military airbases, the future of aerial dominance comes alive. The B-21 Raider, often described as a ghost of the skies, begins its mission with the quiet confidence of an unseen predator. Its long, smooth wings slice through the air with minimal disturbance, designed to evade radar detection while maximizing fuel efficiency. This aircraft is not merely an instrument of war, it is a strategic enigma. Commanders rely on its unmatched range and payload flexibility to execute missions that were once inconceivable. From the icy reaches of Alaska to the remote expanses of the Pacific Islands, the B-21 Raider embodies the principle that true power lies in precision, discretion, and technological mastery. On one particular mission simulation, the B-21 is tasked with reaching a heavily fortified location in the Middle East. Flying at high altitudes, it avoids radar contact, using its stealth design to bypass advanced anti-aircraft systems. Its onboard sensors constantly scan the environment, feeding real-time data to both the pilot and command centers. Moments later, it delivers its payload with unparalleled accuracy, all while maintaining complete invisibility to enemy detection systems. Analysts watching this simulation are in awe, not just at the engineering feat but at the strategic advantage it represents. The B-21 is a statement that the next decade of aerial combat will be defined by intelligence, technology, and subtle dominance rather than brute force alone. Meanwhile, the Boeing F-47 fighter jets streak across the skies, executing maneuvers that seem almost impossible to the human eye. Each aircraft is connected to an advanced network, allowing pilots to share data, track targets, and anticipate enemy moves in real time. Artificial intelligence systems assist in navigation, threat assessment, and tactical decision-making, effectively turning each F-47 into an extension of a larger, coordinated hive mind. In a hypothetical engagement over contested airspace, a squadron of F-47s detects multiple enemy aircraft approaching from different directions. With AI assistance, the pilots adjust their positions, perform evasive maneuvers, and neutralize the threat efficiently. The integration of human skill and artificial intelligence demonstrates a future where combat is faster, smarter, and safer for the pilots who operate these incredible machines. While the F-47s dominate in the tactical and offensive spectrum, the Lockheed Martin E-130J Phoenix II ensures that every mission is orchestrated with perfect coordination. High above the battlefield, this airborne command center gathers intelligence from multiple sources: satellites, drones, ground units, and even the B-21 and F-47 fleets themselves. Its operators analyze incoming data, identify threats, and relay precise instructions to combat units, ensuring that every decision is informed and every maneuver is optimized. In one scenario, the Phoenix II guides a B-21 through a series of enemy air defenses, ensuring that the mission proceeds without incident. Simultaneously, it coordinates F-47 patrols to cover blind spots and respond instantly to any unforeseen threats. The Phoenix II exemplifies how modern warfare relies as much on communication, coordination, and intelligence as it does on raw firepower. Training the next generation of pilots is equally crucial, and the Boeing-Saab T-7 Red Hawk serves as the ultimate incubator for aerial expertise. Pilots in training experience real-time simulations, advanced aerobatics, and tactical decision-making within the safety of this highly capable jet. Over the course of a training session, students learn to handle high-speed maneuvers, execute precision targeting, and respond to complex scenarios designed to replicate real combat conditions. For instance, during an advanced dogfight simulation, a trainee in the T-7 must react to multiple threats, integrate data from onboard systems, and coordinate with other aircraft, all while maintaining control and composure. By the time these pilots graduate, they are fully prepared to operate frontline aircraft such as the F-47 with confidence, skill, and instinctive knowledge. Beyond military applications, the HondaJet Echelon represents a leap forward in civilian aviation. Its sleek design is optimized not only for aerodynamics and speed but also for efficiency and sustainability. Imagine executives boarding the Echelon in 2027 for a regional flight. The cabin is quiet, spacious, and technologically advanced, providing both comfort and performance. The aircraft's engines are engineered to reduce emissions while maintaining remarkable thrust and range, reflecting the growing emphasis on environmentally responsible aviation. As cities expand and business travel demands increase, the HondaJet Echelon becomes a symbol of the future of civilian flight: fast, efficient, and forward-thinking. In 2030, as these aircraft operate in concert with emerging technologies, the concept of integrated air operations reaches new heights. The B-21 Raider and F-47s coordinate with the Phoenix II for strategic strikes, while the Red Hawk continues to prepare new pilots for increasingly complex challenges. Meanwhile, civilian innovations like the HondaJet Echelon demonstrate how advanced design principles, sustainable technologies, and efficiency can revolutionize non-military aviation. This period marks a convergence of human ingenuity, engineering excellence, and visionary thinking, a decade where the skies themselves are redefined. Looking ahead, analysts and futurists predict that the lessons learned from these aircraft will inform developments well beyond 2030. The stealth principles of the B-21 may influence future commercial airliners seeking reduced radar signature or improved aerodynamic efficiency. The networked AI systems of the F-47 could inspire next-generation unmanned drones and autonomous aerial vehicles. The command and control strategies of the E-130J Phoenix II might set the standard for multi-platform coordination in both military and humanitarian operations. The Red Hawk's training methodologies will produce generations of pilots capable of handling even more advanced aircraft, and the Echelon's design innovations could pave the way for sustainable supersonic business jets. Even the challenges and limitations faced during these years will serve as critical learning experiences. Engineers and pilots will continuously adapt, upgrade, and refine these aircraft, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Each takeoff, maneuver, and mission contributes to a growing legacy of knowledge, shaping the future of flight and ensuring that the United States remains at the forefront of aviation innovation. In this narrative, every aircraft is not only a technological marvel but also a story of ambition, vision, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. By the mid-2030s, the integration of these aircraft into global strategy will be profound. The B-21 Raider will secure strategic deterrence, F-47s will ensure air superiority in contested zones, and the Phoenix II will coordinate increasingly complex operations across vast distances. The Red Hawk will continue to cultivate elite pilots, and innovations inspired by the Echelon will redefine civilian expectations of speed, comfort, and efficiency. Together, they form a synergistic ecosystem where each component enhances the capabilities of the others, creating a future where the skies are safer, smarter, and more advanced than ever before. The narrative of these 5 aircraft, from stealth bombers to advanced trainers, AI-assisted fighters to innovative civilian jets, reflects a larger story about human ingenuity and the endless quest to push the boundaries of possibility. Between 2026 and 2030, they represent not just machines, but milestones in a journey toward a future where flight is more precise, intelligent, and sustainable. They embody the dreams of engineers, the courage of pilots, and the vision of nations seeking to explore and dominate the final frontier above the Earth. As the sun sets over the airfields where these marvels are stationed, one can almost hear the whisper of the future in the wind. The engines roar not merely as a demonstration of power, but as a symphony of innovation, a testament to decades of research, design, and ambition. The B-21, F-47, Phoenix II, Red Hawk, and Echelon together illuminate the horizon of aviation, a horizon where technology and human spirit soar hand in hand, redefining what it means to take flight. These aircraft are more than machines, they are the vanguards of a new era, heralding a world where the sky is no longer the limit, but the beginning of endless possibilities.